What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur, and today I want to show you how to make money with broken electronics. Now, most people assume that once an electronic such as an iPhone, an iPad, a MacBook, a gaming system is broken, you can't make any money with it. It's pretty much garbage. It's scrap metal. But that's not the case, and I want to explain something to you guys today. I've been doing this for a while, okay? Probably back in 2007, 2008. This is when all this really started, is I was selling broken stuff on eBay. Now, let me show you something really quick. Right here, I searched for iPad mini for parts, okay? And I did that, and I looked up the sold listings. So these are all sold, okay? So this one right here, iPad mini 2 was sold for $29.99 with $8 shipping, but it's for parts only. Not sure why. You scroll down, this one's an iPad mini first generation, sold for $20 with $6 shipping. So why am I even bringing this up? The reason I'm bringing this up is because I have an iPad mini right here. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see, there you go. Kind of see it, I hope. But you see that this side is all white. This side is very dim, okay? It still works, okay? But as far as the screen is effectively broken. Now, the digitizer does work, okay? You can see right here, the digitizer is working just fine, but the screen underneath is broken. I ended up picking this up for $5, but I picked up a new screen on eBay for like $20.40 some cents, okay? So I did pick up a new screen, and it takes me about 25 minutes to replace this. Now, here's the reason why I want to show you this. Now, if we go over to eBay, I typed in iPad mini 1. This is not for parts. These are actually working iPad minis, which is exactly what this one is right here. 16 gigabyte iPad mini, first generation. Everything, as far as I know, works on it, okay? But I did buy this for $5, so there might be some issues. But let's say I sell this for $90, okay? Or let's say $90. It cost me $5 for the iPad. It cost me $20 for the screen, so I'm at $25. So if I sell it for $90, look right here. This one right here sold for pretty much $80. Okay. This one right here, this is parts only, pre-owned. This one sold for $103. And I do have the box. I do have the box for it. This one's parts only, pre-owned. This one sold for pretty much $80 again. So let's say I sell it for $80, okay? $80 is more realistic. Now, if I sell this for $80, because hopefully when I'm done with it, it will work, okay? So $80, again, I'm just gonna say 85. $85, right between $80 and $90. So if I sell this, that means I'll be making about $60 profit from it. However, I still have eBay fees, so let's take into account that. Let's say $10. It's a little bit high, but I'm going to say $10. So I'll be making $50 from it, and let's assume shipping. Shipping is going to be probably about $8 because it's a small item, in the box, no big deal. So about $8. So I'll be making $42, and it takes me about 20-25 minutes to do this entire thing. Now, just the other day, when I say the other day, I mean yesterday, I actually replaced a battery. This is a manufactured battery from an iPod Touch 6th generation. Okay. Now, one thing that you need to know with the 6th generation is it will require soldering. So if you've never done it before, just be aware of that. But how do you get into this? Okay. So now I showed you how I'm going to replace the screen. I'm not going to do it on camera. You guys probably don't want to see that. If you want to go watch a video on do a replacement screen, go watch that. But people have broken iPhones, iPod Touches. They have broken computers. They have broken iPads, tablets, all this stuff. Even if you have a keyboard that's missing a button, people will throw the keyboard away. You can pretty much get a free keyboard, go down to Goodwill and find keyboards that are missing buttons, that are missing, maybe they have the USB connector on the back, maybe it's missing. There's a lot of things you can do. You can buy that stuff. Sometimes they will almost give it to you just to get it out of their hair, and you buy that, or take it home and you resell it either for parts on eBay like I showed you, or you fix it up like I'm going to do with this iPad right here. Okay, you fix it up and you sell it for a little bit more. So you make some money off of your effort. Now, I'm not saying this is the best business to get into in the entire world, because there's other things that I do that make a lot more money than this business right here. However, I find it very soothing. I find it very soothing to take apart an iPod Touch and replace the battery and have to do soldering, which is something that it's a very delicate skill you got to learn. Okay, especially when you're doing mini soldering like this, or micro soldering. So things like that, I find it very soothing. It would be like going to the gym. I do that as well. Going and doing yoga, I don't do that. Things like that, reading a book, would be something that would be considered very soothing, or some type of meditation technique. And this is my meditation technique. I fidget with things that are broken, and I fix them so that they will work again. This iPad right here, it's not broken per se that it's never going to work. It's just broken in a sense that as of right now, it's very hard to see. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it very well. There you go. You can kind of see what's on it, but that's what it looks like. Okay, it's broken over here. It's dim over here. Just needs a new screen. That's all it does. If you want to know how to do this stuff, again, go watch some YouTube videos on how to do it. But it's a great business to get into. And again, it's not going to be the most lucrative. You're not going to make thousands and thousands of dollars a day. But could you make an honest living doing this stuff? Yeah. Go and post some. If you want to use your services and you're going to be like a repair service, go and post your job, your service on Craigslist and Facebook. Let people know what it is you do and how you can help, and they're going to contact you. As far as buying this stuff and then reselling it, people are going to post stuff all the time. If you post on Craigslist or Facebook that you're looking for broken iPods, broken iPhones, broken iPads, broken tablets, broken gaming systems, broken computers, whatever you want to fix, go ahead and do it, and just wait for people to contact you. Or you go and reach out to people. Oh, I see you have a broken phone. You're asking $20 for it. Would you take 10? Would you take 5? Okay, I'll buy it for 20. Whatever you decide. You can come to eBay. It's very simple to do. All you gotta do, come up here to Advanced. Okay, click on Advanced. Once you do, it's gonna bring up a page like this. Put it in right here, and then make sure you click on Sold Listings, and that's gonna bring up exactly the page that I just showed you right here. That's all you gotta do. And I know it might seem difficult to try to fix something, but honestly, the very first time I ever fixed a battery on an iPod Touch, especially the 6th generation, I had no clue how to do it. I didn't have the micro soldering kit that I needed, or the adhesive that I needed to actually hook up the battery and then resell the iPod. I didn't have any of that stuff, so I watched some YouTube videos, I figured it out, and then I actually bought the equipment, because I knew that a lot of people were going to have iPod Touch 6 generations, because that's the new one that came out. So a lot of people are going to start to have issues with it, or it's going to start to die. They're going to need a new battery, might need a screen replaced, they might need a button fixed, whatever it is, and now I could do that. All right, so again, I know this video is a little bit different than the ones I normally do, talking about making money online, how I do it, affiliate marketing, making money on YouTube, course sales, stuff like that. But I wanted to show you a different side of what I do, because honestly, I'm not always doing affiliate marketing. Sometimes I'm just fixing a simple item, something that you can buy for a very inexpensive price. You slap a new screen on it and sell it for a lot more. Okay, that's essentially what I'm doing. So if you guys have any questions, you can ask me. I'll try to answer you guys' questions. But go look on YouTube. There's so many videos here. There's so many tutorials, how-to, step-by-step videos on exactly how to do these things. And it's not just about Apple products either. There's Samsung products. There's the Google phones. All these different phones, all these different tablets, computers, electronics. They can make you money. You just gotta figure out how. All right. So hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you want more videos on how to make money online. And I'll see you guys on the next one.